Good evening. I'm Classics and Sports Cars vlog channel. My name is David. I'm here in Bearsted, just down the road from where I live, at the Butcher's Block Beetle. Just a car meet here. I think they seem to have every month, so it's just a small gathering. It's nothing much, so don't think it's saying really well because it's not. Just a small gathering. That's all. Just gonna have a wander around. You have a nice Cobra here, 427 Cobra. As I always say, please subscribe to my videos, as that does help in the long run. And you don't have to pay, it's all free to subscribe to a video, so it's nothing to worry about. It's difficult to know if some of these Cobras are original or not, because they all look the same to one another. So it's always difficult to know, if they are actually exact, or they're, sort of been reproduced, so to speak, which means they've been hand built. Does have nice wheels though to it. It does. Volkswagen Golf GTI on a Y ridge, and got sunroof too. Can't really see my in because the sun's shining reflection into it. What he has spent money on is the wheels.
Yeah, that's all right. I'll do it this weekend. I'll send you the pictures. I'll tell you.
Before, when I was here, that there was a lot more cars here at the time. Yeah. Cool. Artwork.
Yeah.
So it all works. ECU is just inside now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, no, I'm really chuffed with it.
Super Mink's really old, but Hillman. And we've got another Hillman next to it. Convertible. That one's a hard top, but it's got like a brownish red roof to it on the top. And it's a sort of sea blue colour convertible.
I'm not too sure of the outside where it's going.
Nice little artwork.
It's very solid, yeah, no, it's very solid. We've had it from here.
On the back round the other way. There's not many here this evening than there was when I last came here. Got Porsche over there, an 07. You got a new one over there with electric. That's the owners, the pub and Volkswagen camper thing. Very sort of plain inside. Got a skateboard, and he's done the door panels in wood, cut all those out in wood. I suppose they were all falling apart and he had to replace them. Got surfboards on the top. Zeal. But it's a right-hand drive, it's not left-hand drive. It's from Brazil. It is 1975. Yeah, and he's got it's metal, all metal. I've get that out. I don't know. I don't think we can somewhere. Trying to. Just go and have a look to see what it says. Miss it. I don't think I can somehow. Yes, it is. Classic cars, retro vintage, turkey meal. You have to come back and have a look at that. He's left his phone here. No, he's left his phone here. Other cars, but not much. We've got. It's just going to be a short video, really. In fairness, it's not many really have turned up, as I said. So. Famous racer there, Colin McRae. He's not living no more. '73 MD, don't know. Colin Jelf and Mike Dalton on the side. Well, it is. Oh, it is. It's supercharged. Cheapest. Look at that. That engine is supercharged. Ah. We've got Ford Anglia and a Sea Ridge at the end. It's really, really ancient, that is. I think this is going to be a very short video. This is 1500 Anglia. We've got a Jaguar here. We've got the window open though. It's got a nice grey leather interior with a wood dash to it. Very nice wood dash. A 340 Jaguar. I don't know what speakers he's put in, but got wire wheels to it. Double exhaust, twin exhaust. Then it's got a window though. You know, better see him a bit more. But see, it's all got a walnut wood dash in it. That's what I was looking for. Grey leather interior. I'd say it's got a vent on the front there. Let air in, air out.
I won't get rid of this. My kids like it. When I buy.
The HH Porsche
anyway. Well, two of them
in red. Leather interior, leather seats. It's only a two-seater really. You've got Porsche wheels on them. got a Porsche jacket. There you go.
I'll basically say, he wants
Yeah, it's all very red.
yeah.
Goes to Margate, the also retro.
Yeah.
I go to that, the also retro Margate.
Yeah, we're going. Well, in a month's time, isn't it? It's on again. We're doing All Hallows as well.
Yeah, I mean, I'm hoping to go down there this year, hopefully.
Yeah, we've done it last year. We're going to do it again this year.
It's very popular down there, it really is.
Yeah. It's more the older cars, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, I do all classic cars and stuff, you know, on video really. So it's me what I do really.
Yeah, it's a good show.
And so it is a big event down there. That's
right. Retro's down there in Margate, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's massive.
Yeah, it's a big event down there. It really is. The also retro. So.
But they can only be, I think,
there isn't really many here today. This evening, which is a shame. As a lot more were here last time. But you know, this is a pub in Bearsted in Kent. So it's a very short video because I can't really honestly do much as there isn't much here. So I'm going to sort of end it here, and then I should do another video hopefully very soon somewhere else. Don't do modern cars. Do classic and sports cars, and that's it. Don't do anything modern. It's always difficult to know I'm buying. It's an automatic transmission in it. Rosy red. With like one of those sort of roofs to it. Yeah.
We sold yours, yeah?
Vela headline into it.
Not so bad, yeah. The old lights running out this time of the year.
Then you've got one mirror on one side, but Jaguar badge down there. someone turned up with a Mercedes. I've just crept in. A Sea Ridge. He's got his, yeah, because that's on Sunday the 16th. Turnham. There's another car show on the same day, which I'm going to. It's quite, two car shows fall on the same day on Sunday. It's, so that's next weekend, really, on Sunday. That's next weekend. So the film isn't far from it. I'm going to another one. If they didn't, I would have gone to this one. But I mean, I'm going to another one, but out to Penshurst Place. That's a huge one. That is in Penshurst. That's a huge field, and that's a great car show. To go to there, Penshurst. Huge. You can be there for hours, wandering around. But it's a great car show there. It really is. I've never been to that one, but I mean, no, I saw it. I thought, oh no, Penshurst one's on as well, isn't it? So, damn. That's a 300 SL, by the way. It's only about this and two others, turned up. So, these are nice. They've got nice seats to them, and I mean, they're nothing leather in them. They're just as they are, and an automatic transmission as well, obviously in them. And it's a right-hand drive. No seats in the back. No seats in the back. Just a drop-down convertible, really. We've got alloy wheels on them.
So when you did your clock, just pulled out the pinnacle, yeah? And then the 4 screws that hold the jacket, the steering wheel.
Yeah, you've got 3 connectors in the back, with little clips on it. You unclip those, and it basically comes out, and then you need. Now, luckily, someone had the glass off before.
No tax this. 86. Yeah, so when anyone sees this video, there's a classic car show here in Kent, in Thurnham, on Sunday the 16th of August, 11 AM to 4 PM. But hopefully I should be trying to go to another one elsewhere. Right, this is Thursday the 6th of August 2026, at Bearsted in Kent. So just signing off now, and hopefully be somewhere else pretty soon.